Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here now, and if you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad that you keep returning, and let me definitely say a big welcome to you. In today's video, I am so excited for today's video because my little Valentine's Day Ipsy mystery bag came in, and I picked this up along with my BFF Jess. She picked this up as well for her channel because we are doing a giveaway for you guys. We wanted to do a little something on our channel for Valentine's Day for one of you guys, and I will put this up on the screen and let you know when this is going to be ending at the end of the video, and it will also be down in the description box. But I wanted to unbox this and let you see what comes in this giveaway. Now, it is a little thing that Ipsy was doing, and it comes with a definitely oh my goodness, this one's a good one, guys. It's an O for highlighter with Blissful in it, and I love this one. It's a real pinky. I don't know if you can see it through. I don't really want to open this, but I guess I can to show you. Like, I mean, I won't open it. Well, this is like, it's really sealed good. So maybe I won't. I have a big one because it was in the BoxyCharm Premium from January. Wait, it looks like this. It's this color right here. It's like a pink, just really pretty highlighter. I really like this one. So that's in there, a full pan of Blissful. Oh yes. So that's in there. Then Park Avenue Princess Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay Bronzer. Okay, so this is a really good one too. It's the Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. So this one's a really pretty shade. Great. Okay. Then it comes with, oh my goodness, this is a good one too. It comes with a Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. So this is a mask for soothing and de-stressing, and Arnica is a really great product for removing dark circles under your eyes. It also came with the Pacifica After Sun Cool and Glow Facial Sheet Mask, and that looks like this. So I think this is going to be awesome as we head into the summertime, and I really like Pacifica products because they are cruelty-free and vegan. And so this is an aloe and vitamin C plus calendula and vanilla. So yeah, I really like this little bag, this little mystery bag. It's really good. It's got sodium hyaluronate in it, pretty high up. It just looks like a really good little mask. So yeah, I'm liking this one. It came with a Farrah 35E brush, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in there or if I'm going to substitute this out for a gloss. So yeah, this may or may not be what you get from me. I may end up putting in a Juvia's Place gloss. So I think I'm going to put this in instead because the Juvia's Place glosses are really nice. So yeah, even though this is what came in the bag, I think I'm going to put in the Juvia's Place gloss just because I think it's probably a nicer product. So that's probably what you'll see in the bag whenever you get it. But anyway, that is going to be a little Valentine's Day giveaway for you if you would like to pick this bag up. But this is also to let you know what is in the Ipsy 2021 Valentine's Day mystery bag. And so those are the products that came in it. We got a Farrah 35E brush. We got a Pacifica After Sun mask. Really, really nice. We got the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. We got the Ofra highlighter in Blissful, and we haven't really seen that one, I don't think, in the Ipsy bags yet. Really excited about that. And then we got the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue mask. So those are some really good products. This was a really good mystery bag, so loving that. And then of course the bag itself is just adorable. Look at that little puffed heart on the front. Oh my goodness, it looks like a little envelope, and it's just the cutest little puffed heart. So this is so just absolutely adorable. I just love this one. This was one of the best little mystery bags ever. So absolutely loving it. If you want to score this one, all you've got to do is just leave in the comments the word Valentine, and you will be entered to win this. Don't forget, go over and check out my girl Jess Gus. Subscribe to her channel, and you'll have 2 chances to win. 1 chance on my channel, 1 chance on her channel. So yeah, it's double the trouble. Not really. But anyway, yeah. It's the Dynamic Duo giveaways striking again. So yeah, we just love you guys so much, and we wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. So yeah, and remember, YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any way, shape, form, or fashion, or in cahoots with this giveaway. This is our giveaways. We bought these bags ourselves just because we love you, and we wanted to do something for you for Valentine's Day to show our love and appreciation. All you got to do is leave something down in the comments for my channel with the word Valentine's in it. And you have to be 18 years or older with a U.S. shipping address. That's it. And you will be entered in the drawing for the giveaway. And the winner will be selected via a random comment picker. So that's it, guys. We hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. But for now, bye guys. Till next time.